Hi, my name is Elisa, and I went to the Africa and China.
Awesome, nice to meet you.
Hi, my name is Max, and I went to the Asia and America and China and USA.
Nice to meet you, Max.
Hello. My name is Madeline. I'm a cowgirl.
Hi, my name is Cornelia. So, I went to the China from my families.
Hi, my name is Aladdin, and I am a prince of the Arabian Kingdom.
Excellent.
My name is Horsey, and I'm a horse.
Nice.
And my name is Jayati, and I am the king with lots of jewels. And hi, my name is Sneaky Ninja Salt, and I love to sneak around the park and track down villains.
Awesome.
Hello, my name is Lily, and I like to pick flowers, and I like to garden. I am Izzy, Queen Izzy, the Queen of the Arabian Kingdom.
Nice to meet you, Izzy.
Also, I'm the mailer who takes all the mail and usually sends the messages out to the kingdom.
Ah.
Hello, my name is Jeannie. Okay. I'm the baby, and I like to sleep. And I like to help animal shelters. Hi, I'm Uni. Hello, I like to gallop along the road. Hi, my name is Sneaky Ninja Ben, and I like to do the same thing as Sneaky Ninja Sloth does. We're a team.
Awesome.
Hello, I'm Phineas, and I like to make things like robots. Hello, I'm Caitlin, and I like to dance and ride my bike. Dad, I like to play with her.
Nice to meet you, Tatum's dad.
And I like to dye my hair blue. I like to play in the park. Hello, I'm Rosemary, and I like to do hopscotch with my friends. John, and I like sewing clothes. I'm the daddy.
Last but not least.
Hello, I'm George, and I like to make engines and fix things.
Going on a puppet parade, a puppet parade, a puppet parade. Going on a puppet parade at the Cameron Art Museum. See? I got puppets. I got people and puppets following behind. Yes. All right, we're walking. We're walking. Everybody stay on this side. Don't nobody go in the road. Nobody's going in the road because we are safe. Safe. Hey, hey. Look, they waved at us. How cool. They waved.